Shalom, talmidim!
Today we're learning how to greet people in Hebrew. You'll learn how to say hi, ask how someone is doing and reply politely. Then we'll finish with a quick review from our earlier lessons.
Let's begin. Shalom.
Hi! Shalom, Kore.
Hi.
How are you? Beseder, Toda.
Fine, thanks.
Erev Tov, good evening. Vocabulary and word meanings.
Shalom. Hello. Ma Korea.
What's happening?
How are you? Beseder.
Fine.
Okay.
Toda. Thank you. Erev Tov, good evening. Let's review some things we've learned before.
Ababa. Is Dad coming?
הילדה אוכלת תפוז, the girl is eating an orange. אני ילדה,
I am a girl.
הוא רוצה עוגה, ואני רוצה תפוח.
He wants a cake and I want an apple.
Now let's put it all together. Shalom, Kore.
Hi.
How are you? בסדר, תודה.
Fine, thanks.
Erev Tov, good evening. Kol hakavod. Great job today. You can now greet someone. Ask how they're doing and answer politely, all in Hebrew.